My baby girl turned 6 months recently, and I had to make extensive research on the best solid food I should introduce to her at this point. After making random researches, I stumbled on this baby pap called Tom Brown. It is believed to be a perfect food to wean babies because of its healthy nutrition. I opted to buy a ready-made one, but someone told me that I can actually make one myself after giving me the recipes and of course the steps. I'm like, why not? So I went to market and got all the ingredients. I'll be showing you guys how I was able to prepare this baby food. Take proper measurement of all the grains. Sort out sands, stones and chaffs from them. Wash them one after the other and sun-dry them on a neat surface. This particular step I already did behind the camera. So this grain you see right here is called guinea corn. It is widely used in complementary feeding of babies and children because of its richness in micronutrients such as vitamin B, iron, potassium, copper. It is an excellent source of energy. This is called wheat. Wheat is a rich source of carbohydrates, fiber. It helps in weight gain for babies and prevents iron deficiency. This right here is called millet. Millet offers a good amount of fiber. It contributes to an overall digestive health and bowel regularity. This is my groundnuts. Groundnuts help to meet the children's protein needs. In addition to helping them feel fuller for a long time, it also supports healthy development. This right here is my soya beans. Soya beans is very nutritious. It is rich in minerals, omega-3 fats, vitamins, and other beneficial elements. This here is my yellow corn. It is believed to improve baby's growth and development as it aids nerve and muscle functions, protects blood cells, good skin and eyes, and of course, it helps them to gain weight. You can actually use the white corn if that's what's available for you, or you can as well mix both the white and the yellow corn. Crayfish is very rich in protein and essential vitamins in which, when added to this mix, can boost baby's health. And it's very rich in folic acid, iron, vitamin C and B complex. Finally, dates. So in this mix, I'll be using dates as my sweetener. I decided not to use much of it because I didn't want it to be too sweet for the baby. I'll be frying the dates in order to remove the seeds because I wouldn't be needing it in my Tom Brown. I had earlier washed and sun-dried my dates before doing this, but I'm still going to dry it up better in the oven after removing the seeds. Alongside the dates, I'm also going in with my crayfish in order to get a more dry and crunchy consistency. So we have come to the final part of this video, and that is the preparation of the Thom Browne. Please, when making your baby's Thom Browne, try as much as possible to make it lighter for easy digestion and to avoid constipation. If you find this video very helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment your thoughts. If you have questions to ask in regards to how to prepare this delicious baby cereals, you can as well feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for stopping by and for staying with me to this very point. Until our next one, have a good life. Bye.